it's me, Andriana, back again with another amazing social media tutorial video. Well, this time, kind of social media, kind of not. I know it's been a minute since you've seen me. I hope you've missed me as much as I have missed all of you. So today we are going to be going over Eventbrite pages. I'm going to show you how to set up an Eventbrite page and then how you can connect that to your Facebook event page. We've experienced a lot of growth over the past few months here at Master Networks, and we've decided to utilize Eventbrite as a platform to promote our chapter development meetings. So all of you Master Networks leaders out there, stay tuned, don't go anywhere because you're gonna wanna watch this. Okay guys, so like I said, today we're gonna be going over Eventbrite and how to set up a page. So anyone can refer to this video if you need help, but this is specifically for our Master Networks leaders who will be creating chapter development Eventbrites. So I'm going to go through those steps here today. So in the mindset that we're getting ready to create a chapter development page for a chapter that we have launching. So here is the home page for Eventbrite, and after you've already created your account, it will look like this. And as you can see, this plus sign that says create event, we're going to click on that. And then it'll ask you a few questions. You can decide to do it that way, or as it says, you can just build your event yourself. So we're just going to go ahead and skip to build it yourself. So here, as you can see, they're going to ask you for information pertaining to your event, and it is up to you to fill all of that information out. So we're going to start here at the top. So anytime you are creating a chapter development meeting page, you're going to always want to include a similar title. So it could say Master Networks. Let me think of something. So we'll say Master Networks Farmville. I'm pretty sure that's not a real city, but it's going to be a real city for today, guys. So Master Networks Farmville Chapter Development Meeting. So as you can see here, this shows you your character count, and they're pretty generous. You know, they give you 75 characters that you can use for an event title, but like I said, always make sure that Master Networks is somewhere in your event title, and then also include the city that you will be launching the chapter in. So here you can see that you can choose between a type, and they actually have an option for meeting or networking event. So we're going to click on that. And then you can also select a category if you would like. So we're going to go with business and professional because we are both of those. Now you can choose a subcategory if you would like. You can decide to use startups and small business because those are two of our targets for people to join Master Networks. And this is just gonna better your chances on being found on Eventbrite by having these categories labeled. Now you can also have the opportunity to add tags as well, which, like I said, same as having the categories. This just helps your event to be found on Eventbrite. So someone could be typing in, you know, networking events near me. If you have your event tagged networking or network, then it's more likely to be picked up on people's search that are searching for those types of events. So let's just use some common ones for this. We're going to use networking. And let's add entrepreneurs. And let's do local business. Let's do Master Networks. So a good reason to use Master Networks is because we do have a large network of members, and you never know, they could be on Eventbrite looking for Master Networks events in their area, and if your event pops up, then they may want to attend or invite some other people to attend. So you always want to be sure to add the company in the tags section. We'll do business. And then just to make it even, we'll do one more Let's do solopreneur. So as you can see, you have the option to add up to 10 tags, but I only did 6. Feel free to do all 10 if you would like, but these are 6 common ones that I feel would be great to add to any Master Networks chapter development meeting information section. So here it says organizer, and this is where you will put who's organizing this event. Of course, you are the person that's organizing the event. So if you already have an established region, today we're just going to use Texas North, for example. So you'll put Master Networks, Texas North region, or whatever your region is. And then here you can choose your location. So you can select your venue if you're having an online event, but that's for, another purpose, not this. This type of event, then you would click online event, or if you don't have an event location yet, you could select the to be announced option. So we ask that when you are creating your Eventbrite page, that you already have all of the information necessary and needed to create the page. So you should already have a venue lined up. So we're going to select venue. And then in this search box, you can type in the venue name or an address, and pretty much like any, Apple Maps or Google Maps, Eventbrite also generates locations as well. So for this location, we'll just use Master Networks headquarters, for example. And as you can see, it comes up Master Networks, Granite Parkway, Plano, Texas. And it even has a map preview. How awesome is that? Next, you'll do your date and time. So here, whenever you want to change your date, you'll just click on it and then it will bring up the full calendar. So let's go back and let's just say that our event is going to be on October 23rd. It's going to end on October 23rd. And let's just choose a start time of 10 o'clock a.m. and an end time of 11:30 a.m. We'll hit save and continue. Okay, so now you're brought to the second page, and here is where you have to upload a cover image and then also add the description for your event. Now you can choose to use whatever type of photo you would like. However, with experience, we've noticed that photos of real people smiling, looking happy, those tend to do better and get more clicks than, let's say, if you were just to use a static graphic image. Now, if you're ever wondering, okay, where can I find pictures of Master Networks events or members, looking happy at chapter meetings, social events, things like that, feel free to go to the Master Networks Inc. Facebook page, click on photos. You can browse through our mini albums. We have probably well over 1,000 photos on the Master Networks Inc. Facebook page. Feel free to download those to your computer and then put them here. So for today, I'm just going to use a photo from last year's rep retreat. And as you see, you're also given the option, to crop the image if you would like. So you can maneuver it to your liking. Hit save. So now we have our main event image. Let's go down to the description section. So this is where you will include the information for your chapter development meeting. Now, we have verbiage that we have already come up with for all of our leaders to use for their chapter development meetings. If you do not have that, please reach out to us, leave us a comment in the comment section, and we will get that to you. The only thing that you will have to do is customize your event location and a few other things in the paragraph. So as you can see, here is the full description. Anything in parentheses is what you will need to update. So for example, Master Networks is coming to wherever your area is. For this page, it's Farmville, so Farmville would go in here instead of your area. You would put the address, location, event details here, and I believe that is the only thing that needs to be customized. So yeah, so just 3 things that you need to update, and then you're ready to go. You can also add a quick summary here above the body paragraphs. So we'll just do something simple, something catchy, like grow your business with us. Use your creativity there. Save and continue. Here, you have the option to add a ticket. Now, all of our chapter development meetings are open to the public and they are free. So we will click free. You can just keep it at general admission. And then however many seats that you have available for the meeting, you will put that in the quantity section. So let's just say for this chapter development meeting, we only have space for 50 people. We'll put that in the quantity section. And then you can also determine when you want the open enrollment or the tickets, if you have them, to go on sale, and the start date, and then you can also select an end date. So our event is on the 23rd, so today's the 4th. We'll go ahead and say that our tickets can start being sold today. And we're gonna cut it off on the day before the event, October 22nd. We'll click save, and voila! You've just opened enrollment for your event. And as you can see here, it says general admission, on sale, ends October 22nd at 10 o'clock a.m., free event, and then it also lets you see where you stand with your capacity. So our capacity is 50, and as people start to enroll and sign up, we're able to see how far we are away from our goal. So we're gonna click on publish. And see, we're done, guys. It says, congratulations, the Master Networks Farmville Chapter Development Meeting is now published. Now, here comes the next step. You have the option to add this event to Facebook by doing 3 simple steps, and Eventbrite is so awesome, they will give you a step-by-step how-to accomplish that. So we're gonna click on Facebook events, and see, it's just 3 easy steps. So you have 2 options. You can add the event to Facebook, or you can link the tickets to an existing Facebook event. So let's just say you decided to do things backwards. Let's say that you set up your Facebook event page first, and then you went to Eventbrite to fill out the information. All you would have to do is click this button here that says link tickets to an existing Facebook event. However, if you're going in the proper order, then we're just gonna keep it where it is, add my event to Facebook. And then it will give you the option to choose a public Facebook page. So you will be able to select the Facebook page to publish your event to. Now, when you register for Eventbrite, use your Facebook login. That way everything is already linked. So if your Facebook page, if your personal Facebook page is the admin to your regional page, then you will want to use that login to sign into Eventbrite. That way, all of the pages that you have admin rights to will show up in this section, and then you will click it. So for me, since I am the admin on the Master Networks Inc. page, it gave me that option to choose. Yours may say something different, but select the page that you would like for the event to be published on. So we're gonna click on continue. Here's all the information we put in earlier about the tickets. Continue. And then we're gonna publish ours now. However, if there are some things that you're unsure about and you don't want to necessarily publish it right away, you want to create a draft and come back to it, feel free to select create draft. But like I said, we're going to go ahead and publish ours. So we're going to select finish, and it's creating the event for us. Voila, your event is live on Facebook. The Master Networks Inc. page, Master Networks Farmville Chapter Development Meeting, and they're even nice enough to include the link for you here. And if we click on it, and this is what it looks like on Facebook. And then you'll also be able to see your analytics. You'll be able to see how many people the page reached, how many responses you have, how many people have clicked on the ticket link. which is right here. And people can select how many they want to RSVP for. They can correspond and ask questions on the page. You can invite people. All of the regular things that you would do on a Facebook event page, you can do that here. And then also when you're logged into Eventbrite, you will be able to check your stats on there as well. The only thing that you would do if you wanted to check your stats is to click on your account. This is where your account profile picture would go. Go to Manage Events. And then all of the events that you have active at the moment will appear. So here you can see the one that we just created, and it will let you know how many tickets, how many people have registered for tickets, the status. If you want to know more information, you can just click on it, and it will give you an even defined breakdown of your event. And that will all be in this section. See guys, that was painless. I told you it was going to be easy. So thanks so much for tuning in to today's episode. I hope that you've learned something, and always remember that if you need a refresher on anything, check out the entire social media tutorial playlist. And if you haven't already, stop what you're doing and subscribe to our channel, okay? We need the subscribers. See you later.